All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. Those are all my stories, and they're all trash. And the part of the show that really matters is what we're about to engage in. It's a part of the show that I'm sure you're familiar with because it is famous worldwide. It is the number one show segment. It is number one in ratings. It is number one to the critics. It is number one on Billboard Top 100, Hot 100. It is my favorite segment of the show. It is called Willie Doo's Wild Card. And this is where Will Do picks the single best story on the entire internet to bring it to you on a daily basis. He scours 4 hours. I mean, he doesn't even have much of a life left over. The amount of time he spends making sure that his story is better than any other story. I see the spreadsheets. I see dozens, if not hundreds, of potential candidates that could be the Willie Doo wild card of the day. And that's how much this segment matters. And this is why you should be paying tremendous attention to what he's about to drop on you next. Ladies and gentlemen, Willie Doo's wild card. Willie Doo, take it away.
Oh, man. What? Every single time. Are you going to even, talk? I guess not. Okay, well. I just have a quick story here about a door handle that's over-engineered. Why are you laughing over there? And it actually cleans itself. Look, it's very rare that a GIF would actually show off what the use case is, but this is perfect. And it's from a company called, let me see here, Tweak, a Swedish company. No, a Swiss company. And it's just cleaning itself. So, yeah, go check it out. I think it'll be kind of cool.